Hi there everyone, this is your friend Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using Java as our programming language that will ask the user to give distance in kilometers, and then our program will convert the given kilometers into miles equivalent using Java as our programming language. Before we continue, thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. Thank you for your support, your share, comments, suggestions, and to you and to my new subscribers. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now I am here in the Eclipse IDE or Integrated Development Environment. So we have here the comment of my program about myself, where you can contact me. And then we have here the two library files for input, output, and decimal format in line number 8 and 9. And line number 11 will be the kilometers underscore miles class. And then line number 13 is all about decimal format because we want to have two decimal places in our program. And line number 15 will be in the main function. So this main function is the starting program execution when we run our program in Eclipse. Line number 17 will be standard input output using scanner library file here. So we have line number 19 new line, and then we have here line number 20 title bar program kilometers to miles in Java. Line 21 new line, and then line 22 asking the user to enter number in kilometers will be stored in this variable double km double. And then line number 25 will be miles equals km multiplied by this value 0.621. So 1 kilometer is equivalent to 0.621 in miles. Line number 27 will be new line, and then line number 28 and 29 will be display the result. And then line number 30 will be new line. Line number 31 will be end of the program, that tells the user that the program is already ended. And then line number 32 new line, and then line 34 and 36 will be right curly bracket that close in our program. So let us run our code. Make this file, run as Java application. Okay, so kilometers to miles in Java, enter number of kilometers. Let's say we have 4 kilometers. So 4 kilometers is equivalent to 2.484 miles in a program. Let us run it again for second time around. Okay, so we can have here 24.5. So in kilometers to miles in Java, enter number of kilometers 24.5. 24.5 kilometers is equivalent to 15.2014 miles end of the program. Let us run it again for the third time. Let's say for example we have 7.22 or 21 kilometers. So kilometers to miles in Java, enter number of kilometers 7.21. So 7.21 kilometers is 4.477 miles end of the program. So basically this is the end of our tutorial video. The purpose of the sample program is to introduce programmers or students who are new in Java on how to assign a variable and use of data types in Java into conversion, and then basic uses of scanner and decimal format library file in Java. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you have some question, please leave it a comment in this video. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code of this program. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada at your service from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial guys, bye bye for now.